from A to Z with the animal. A is for alligator. B, bear. Beer. C, cat.
D, dog.
E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey. N is for newt. O is for owl. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger.
U is for urchin.
V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra. Good job, everyone! Now you know ABC. Bye! 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 Kid Camp!